shit! Yo!
I had the last laugh cause I'm bound to the new school you're about to see.
Yeah, can you see the orange water tower out on Long Island, on Shutter Island? I just went behind the building. But when it comes out from behind this building. Whoa! Holy shit, that was close.
Yeah, I do.
It looks like it'd be fun.
Jesus.
It's a fucking bike lane, dude. Bus lane, whatever.
Like, it's Sandra. And I'm like, no. I got treated very nicely. Fuck you guys. So where are we going? Actually, no, don't tell me yet.
Holy crap, dude.
Oh god, fuck this.
Jesus Christ.
Tree is weird, and the nuts are weird and poisonous as far as I know, and whatever. The Buckeye candy, I don't dislike Buckeye candy. It's delicious. But tell me if I'm off base here. How is a Buckeye candy meaningfully different from a Reese's peanut butter cup? I understand that the filling is not exactly the same.
Hired a second assistant camera because there's a mandate on hiring, or like an unofficial mandate on hiring. What are you doing?
Turning left.
100%. So it's like I've had firsts I've worked with that are like really experienced. Oh my god.
Oh, fucking Lord, dude.
Everyone's in the middle of their intersections, respectively, right?
Yeah.
The no, it's
2 streets off Glenwood.
Next.
I brought him home. Oh, that dead truck. I don't know what that's about.
It just spoke.
The door's just wet open. There's nobody there.
And I think Mark, 2 points for my bank. Yeah, appreciate it. This is basically was all of the above, which honestly, sometimes it's the right answer. Some more quick fires here real quick before we wrap up. Which NPC from or side character would you most trust to have your back? Either game, show, movie, whatever. If you're like, I want...
Same fucking van. Cute. Successful paired. Same truck. Red? Oh, black. Oh my god, dude, what are you doing?
problem? For you the solution.
Okay.
For acne or dry skin? I have a bunch of bacon fat that I keep all the time. Maybe I should start rubbing it on myself. I find it
Dude.
smells so good.
Yeah, you should rub it all over yourself.
Chuck, you got quite a gleam to you. That's right, I'm a little oily.
Yellow, then white gold, with the rapidly rising temperature inside. When the dome shuddered like a living thing, I began to realize what was happening. The dome, although that's what it appeared to be, was less a dome, more an egg. The whole structure was
No good. Not having enough sodium, there's always warnings about too much salt, but apparently if you don't have enough, it can throw your body totally out of whack. Well, I'll tell you what, I don't have to worry about that. We heard too about the dangers of garage door springs.
Oh,
yeah.
my
Listen,
God.
they could chop your head right off. Yep. I just, you know,
Jesus.
in the stuff that we've talked
You keep it coming all night. I'll never let you leave from my side. I'm down, 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 down. Hey, you keep it loving like that. You know you'll keep me coming right back. I'm down, 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 down.
Dude, take a wing.
I'll never let you leave from my side. I'm down, 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 down.
What are you doing, bud? Okay. These fucking guys.
That's definitely, they definitely didn't have that light. They definitely didn't have that light. They went through before it even turned, dude.
Yeah, I know.
A left on green, on black, on red. Like what?
Watch out. Holy fuck, my guy. Jake, will you do me a favor? That number right there that it's blinking on, will you change it to go? While you're doing it. Change that number to 189.3.
Running, but I'm running still. No more violence. I just came in to enjoy the silence. I got my hand on the button still. Don't know why I'm running, but I'm running still. Jesus, Lord, relieve me more of stress. I need some more revenge. Distort me naked, force them threats like prehistoric wrecks. And don't ask
so cool that I can actually just get up and walk somewhere now. I mean, it's something from my whole life I took for granted. I don't anymore.
Whoa. Jesus,
Oh,
dude.
let's drive down the wrong side of the road.
Yep. Whoa! Holy shit. you doing anyway?
Nothing.
Oh, did you set a song?
Yeah.
Okay. This guy is fucking backing out. That was close, yeah. Pulled into the garage full time before reading the garage full. Yep. Yeah, it's a nightmare down here right now, huh?
From attention, I was stalling like a motherfucking disgruntled employee. I don't cut the beat till I fucking destroy. Once I get going, rain, thunder, and storming, puddles performing. I hear somebody's voice. In my head, say it's still a dream. Then he said, killing seas, chippy reds with pills and lean, sipping meds in a limousine. Getting red, irritating, my name's Sarge.
Thanks. Bro? That's my food. Yeah, what she just had was mine. She dipped around me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always demonstrate my excellence and push it on the people, projected into a genesis and never let the evil just weasel into my elements. Got potential, got developments. Yes. Got the numbers, got the measurements. Got